Assalamu alaikum dear students, here's Muhammad Karake. In this video a new lesson will be explained combining chapter 3 and 4 and called emission and reception of sound. 4 objectives should be achieved at the end of this chapter. 1. Explain how a loudspeaker works. 2. Identify the sound propagation and the sound barrier. 3. Explain how a microphone and ear work. And 4. Indicate the different applications of sound waves. And in this video we will elaborate only the first objective and talk in details about the function of a loudspeaker. But before going on, we should remember the differences between mechanical and electromagnetic waves that we explained last year. So as we know, mechanical waves are mechanical disturbance that need a material medium to propagate in. It cannot propagate in vacuum, while electromagnetic waves are electrical disturbances that can propagate in any certain mediums and in vacuum. Sound waves, waves on the surface of water, waves produced in a rope are examples of mechanical waves, while light, radar waves, TV waves, X-ray, gamma waves, cell phone waves are examples of electromagnetic waves. Comparing the speed of each nature, mechanical waves propagate at a speed less than the speed of light in vacuum and air, which is 3 × 10 exponent 8 meter per second that we call it c, while electromagnetic waves propagate at this speed c in air and vacuum, while in a transparent medium of index n it propagates at speed equal c divided by n. Finally, the mechanical wave can be transversal or longitudinal, while electromagnetic waves are just transversal, which means that the direction of propagation of this wave is perpendicular to that of the particle of this wave. And don't forget that the wavelength of this transverse wave is the division of the speed c over frequency f, only if the medium is vacuum or air. And now let's talk in details about the sound wave and its emission. First of all, as we explained, sound is a longitudinal and mechanical wave produced by the vibration of an object in a material medium. Sound waves are produced when vibration of the particles of the material medium take place, and sound emitter can be a person, animal, or devices that emit sound waves, like a loudspeaker or the wings of a bee. As I told you, in the upcoming minutes we will spot the light on the loudspeaker, but first of all I will introduce for you its component. Electrodynamic loudspeaker consists of 3 main parts: a permanent magnet, a moving coil, and an elastic conical membrane whose circumference is a metallic support called salad bowl. So I will take you now to the basic function of a loudspeaker, which based on an interesting phenomena. First of all, loudspeaker converts an electrical signal into a mechanical sound vibration, and that's why we called it an electroacoustic converter. And here you should notice that the frequency f of the emitted sound is equal to the frequency of the electric signal delivered by the low frequency generator. And also you should know that the loudspeaker mainly works under the effect of the electromagnetic force, which is created when a current is transversed through a conductor in the presence of a mechanical field. Therefore, the direction of this force, the electromagnetic force, depends on the direction of the current in the conductor and the direction of the magnetic field. But before elaborating this idea, we should spot the light on a basic issue, which is the direction of current in DC and AC signals. In DC, the current is directed in a unique direction. However, in AC, the current changes its direction twice in a period. And this type of current passes through the coil in the loudspeaker found between the poles of the magnet inside it, and thus electromagnetic force is produced and causes the coil to vibrate. And being fixed to the coil, the membrane is subjected to vibrations that producing a sound of the same frequency as that of the imposed current. And that's why speaker will not function with the direct current, because there is no vibration will occur So dear students, for here 4 main points were introduced in this video. First, sound is a longitudinal mechanical wave produced by the vibration of an object in the material medium. Second, the main parts of an electrodynamic loudspeaker are magnet, coil, and elastic membrane. Third, a loudspeaker is an electroacoustic converter. Fourth, when an AC source is connected to the loudspeaker, then an electromagnetic force is created, causing the vibration of the coil. Being connected to the coil, the membrane also undergoes vibrations that lead to emission of sound waves. Thank you for paying attention and stay tuned for the upcoming videos concerning this chapter.